Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to quickly disable Face ID on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you turn off your iPhone and it always turns on using your Face ID, but if you got an emergency and you want to disable your Face ID so that no one force you to use your Face ID to unlock your iPhone. So what are the quickest method to disable your Face ID? So I will tell you the three methods here. The first method is that what you can do is you can simply press and hold volume button and side button at the same time so that shutdown screen appears. Then you have to simply select on cancel, and after that your iPhone will simultaneously ask for your passcode. So in this way you can simply disable your Face ID at the same time. The second method is that you can simply press your power button 5 times in a row so that it will again go for the shutdown screen. So after that you can simply follow the same method as that. You can simply click on cancel button and you can simply disable your Face ID. Now the third method is that you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to Face ID and passcode, because this method is very long, so you have to make sure that you have enough time. So you have to simply look for Face ID and passcode, and here you have to simply provide your passcode, and after that you can simply turn off all these features for the Face ID. So if you want to turn off, you have to make sure that you have turned off the always on display. So you have to make sure about that. You can simply turn off stolen device protection, because if you have turned on the stolen device protection, then you will not be able to change your passcode or any security settings. But if you want to turn off your Face ID, then you have to only put your passcode, and after that you can simply turn off your Face ID for iPhone unlock. So in this way it will always ask for your passcode when someone try to force you to unlock your iPhone using your Face ID. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.